Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys two filters. We're going to compare them and see which one is better, because the only way to find out what is better is through either testing or comparison, and there's no other ways. Just like athletes, how do you find out which one is better? Well, the ones that performs the best, just like anything else. So we have BNX cabin filter made in USA. So if you're a person that likes to support American manufacturing, American jobs, American companies, this is the place to buy from them. Made in USA cabin filter. Let me show you some details so you can read. Allergen, dust, bacteria, viruses, defense. Nice, very nice. As you can see, all the details of the filter. The filter should be replaced every 12K or once a year. You don't want to push with any cabin filters, because especially if you leave your car outside where it gets trees or leaves, whatever, dust, because it pulls the air constantly. If you're driving on a highway, the filter gets dirty fast. And then you have microban filter, which is antibacterial protection on the filter. It's a WIX filter, and so filter is made in Pollen. A little bit different filter media, and of course it's going to be different because HEPA, non-HEPA, different materials. They do filter the air, but they work differently, because HEPA filters, they filter out, says 99%, 99.7% filtration. So this is, the HEPA is being used where you want it really dust-free, clean air. If you have problems, especially during the seasons where there is dust from trees when it's blooming, either in the fall or in the spring, or just sometimes in the general, people who cut the grass, they just cannot tell they need to wear a HEPA mask. So this is definitely a must-have filter. Or if you want to upgrade to a better filter, or if you want to have subscription type of a thing, you know what I mean? Because this brand offers not just for the cars, they offer for the houses too. So that's something to consider, to look into it. Nothing wrong with a WIX filter, but it does not provide, it is not a HEPA filter. It does not provide the protection or air cleanliness that you need, protection for your personal health, like BNX does. And made in Poland, made in US. So if you like to support your local companies and have a better air inside your car, go with BNX. If you don't care about this stuff, go with WIX. Nothing wrong with the filter. It does this job, but not as good as BNX. So that's just the matter of fact is they're both cabin filters, both filter air out. One does a better job, another one less, because they're designed differently. Different media is used for different purposes. Again, you know what I mean. So when it comes to installations, both companies offer instructions. You can go their website, you can scan it. With a WIX, you get in a box installation instructions for that particular specific vehicle. So WIX comes with instructions too, just like BNX. So you buy a filter, they will come with instructions. It's just a matter of preference, what is you're looking for. So that's pretty much it. Not much. This is microban for bacteria and antimicrobial microbes. So I guess it's for protecting bacteria. But this one, it says bacteria too. So this one is, viruses defense. HEPA filters are known as the best filters you can get. I believe that hospitals, during this pandemic, they all were looking for HEPA filters, HEPA masks, to protect yourself, to protect people and yourself from transmitting or receiving the virus, or whatever that might be the case, or maybe dust the chew, you know, very sensitive. So it's a plus, definitely a big plus. So let me know in the comment sections which one you prefer, which one you like better, which one you've been using yourself. You know, are you replacing your filters every 12 months, once a year, every 12K, or you never replace your filters? You know, it's there, you don't even know. You know, some cars don't even have the filters, others do. If you push it longer, leave it longer, you're gonna have mold build up, you're gonna have a lot of dirt, and then you remove that dirt's gonna fall down to your fan. So it's good to replace it more often than to replace it less. The refilter will make your fan work harder. So it's having clean filter inside your vehicle will prolong your health, will prolong fan's life, will prolong your vehicle longevity, because you don't have to have buildup of dirt inside there, bacteria, mold, or anything. Because when the filter is there and it's stuck for years, it only allows stuff to grow, accumulate, that gets blown into your face and your nose, and you get sick. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.